Welcome back to the channel, guys. Just wanted to make this quick video on a very annoying but easy solution for a problem that you could run into as an Azure admin. Uh, and that would be something like this. So you would create a key vault, which would have been requested by an application developer or your manager to store keys or secrets, and you create it. But when you go to manage them, you have like, oh, you're not allowed. But you're like confused because you are the one who created it. And if you go to the IAM and you check the role assignment, you check your user, and that user has owner permission of this. So you should be fine managing this. It can also be like you create the vault for an application, give a service principal access to it. Let's say you give service principal contributor access to it, but the application is not able to fetch the secrets or the keys or update it or delete it. And it's the same fix for that scenario too. And I'm going to show you what's happening here. So basically, since we're using the RBAC role-based access, not the access policies, which used to be legacy, you will basically need an additional RBAC role. And that would be one of these here. So this is the official documentation, and it says here clearly that the Key Vault contributor role is only to manage the Key Vault. It does not allow access to keys, secrets, or certificate. Uh, and even if you're an owner, it's the same thing. So what you need, depending on your needs. Basically, if you want to be able to manage and do all sort of operations on the certificate, you would need a, a certificate officer. If you just want to be able to read it, you will need a certificate user. And if it's the keys that you want to work with, this part, then you would need the crypto officer to manage, to delete and everything, or you will need the crypto user just to be able to read it. If you want to be able to work with secrets, then you would be the secret officer or key vault secret officer, or just to read it, you will be a key vault secret user. So I'm gonna assume that you want to be able to work with secret and you want to delete it, update it, and everything in this scenario. So we'll basically go to the key vault, go to the IAM, and click on Add Role Assignment, and I'm just gonna copy paste it here, but you will have to type it. To work with secrets, you need secret officer role. So we'll search for that, and there it is. And it also tells you here in the description what it can do, but we will just select that because I just explained to you what it does. We will hit next, and now either we can choose that service principal that we created, which will be used by an application to talk to this vault, or we can add the user who wants to manage this key vault. Again, it can be a developer himself. So I'm just gonna pick admin here, and we'll hit select. I will hit next, view assign, and I will also do that for my account to be able to show you that this error goes away for my own account. So we'll go here, add assignment, and we will find that user again, secret, next, select, and that would be this account. The admin account I'm using is this. So I'm gonna hit select, review and assign. And after this finishes, I will go here, and there we go. The error has gone away. I am now able to manually add secrets, and let's just do something here quickly. Let's hit create. Hopefully it does. Okay, so there we go. We just created one. If I want to delete it, we can delete it too, and it's deleted. So yes, that's how you fix that problem. Hopefully this is helpful for you, and thanks for watching.